Java Express channel. In previous section we covered some topic like how to enable FMA and how to create your own user. I hope everyone created one sub user. Now in this section we are going to discuss how to create a group and how to apply a password policy. We'll see in this tutorial. This is my console. When I click on IAM, previously I created the activate FMA is done already, create individual IAMs is done. Now we can see how to assign the group for your IAM user. Manage groups. As of now I don't have any group. Create new group. Just I'm giving group name as admin. Next step. So for particular about this group I can provide any policy. If you add any user, this group policies will attach to your user. If you want to know this administrator access, click on here, administrator access I want to give. If you want to give IAM user change password, I am giving this group. For these groups I can give these policies. By default it is already enabled. If you want to give like Alexa related some Amazon Doc DB full access, like document related Amazon database, for if you want to give, like these are all the policies you can attach to your group. Now I'm going to the next step. Click. If you see here, these policies you are enabled. If you want to edit the group name or policy, you can change. Click create group. Now your group is created. Click on the dashboard, refresh. See, your group is created. You are created a group, but you need to assign the user, right? User is 1, now group is 1. Now I'm going to the group here. Now here if you see here, what are the permissions here? These are all the permissions, like these are all my policies. If you click on administrator show policy, see, this is my JSON. I already explained all policies are written in JavaScript object notation, JSON. Star indicates means you can access everything. Click. If you want to see, this is show policy. This is one of the policies which are all databases you can access, cluster related information. So everything they updated in JSON. Show policy. Change user policy. If you see here, there is some resource for your username and password, which are all the rules. While if you are creating a password, okay, this password contain only the digits, only the numbers, only the alphabet. This is also one of the policy. We will see that part also. Now I'm adding my user, add users to the group. I already created, see, Java Express my user. Click on Java Express and add users. Now for this particular group I added my user. These are all my policies. Click on the dashboard. Now if you create the new user, for that particular new user you can add in this group. Like that you can create admin group or developer group, or so many groups you can create. This is the groups. Now you know users, groups and roles. Now we'll see one more, IAM password policy. By default they given some policy. If you want to enable customization, then you can do. Click on manage password policy. If you see here, password policy, AWS account does not have a password policy set. For your AWS account, as of now we didn't put anything. Set password policy. If you see here, we have some set of rules. You need to follow those rules. So enforce minimum password. Like if you want to create your password rule, it should be, if you want 15, you can give 15. If you want to give minimum as 5 letters, you can give. If you see here 5, password length must be whole number greater than or equal to 6. A minimum is 6 digits. I am giving as 8. See, all alphabets, lowercase letters, at least one number, non-alpha numeric characters, @ some special symbols. password expiration. So every 90 days or every if you want to give here expiry password in 30 days, if you want to password should be expired, you want to create the new password, you can enable whole information in password policy. Password expiration requires an administrator reset. Okay, you want to do only the admin once your user is expired. Okay, only the admin can do. Maybe if you enable this one, only the root user can action this password. You allow user to change their own password. So these are all the rules you can enable. As of now I'm not giving, I'm giving only enable password returns and policy for 90 days, like 3 months. Just click save changes. Password policy has been updated. If you click on dashboard, see here everything is in green color. This is the part of IAM. So IAM is the center of AWS. I hope everyone is created their own users. Try to use these users in the if you want to access any services in AWS. Thank you guys.